Have you wondered why corruption, especially in less developed countries, persists? Corruption in government persists because it is deeply rooted in weak institutions, lack of accountability, and a culture of impunity. When political systems lack transparency, officials are often able to misuse public funds or power without facing consequences. In many cases, corruption becomes normalized as part of political and bureaucratic processes, where personal gain outweighs public service. Low salaries, poor monitoring mechanisms, and inefficient justice systems further enable corrupt practices to flourish. Equally important, however, is the fact that citizens' tolerance or resignation toward corruption, combined with limited civic education, allows dishonest leaders to remain in power. Political patronage and dynastic politics also perpetuate corruption, as loyalty and connections are prioritized over competence and integrity. In such systems, leaders protect their allies and silence critics, which in turn creates a self-sustaining network of corruption. Indeed, corruption persists not merely because of individual greed, but because of systemic failures, weak governance structures, limited rule of law, and inadequate enforcement. Until strong institutions, transparent processes, and active citizen participation are established, corruption will remain entrenched in government systems, hindering national development and eroding public trust.